Hey, what's up guys? I got a Samsung Galaxy S20. I'm going to do a underwater pool test in a swimming pool. I'm going to use the video side on the back side and the front side. I will also take photos on the back side and the front side, and for the video I will be using the onboard audio, so everything is naked here. So let's go ahead and let's do this. Okay, it's currently recording and let's do this. Got the matches, but the max depth of water is 5 feet, as you can see right there. All right, so let's go in it again. Ready? Let's do the front side video cam now. All right, so I'm using the front side video now, the selfie side. Not sure if you can hear me because the phone was wet. It's wet right now. Anyways, let's do this. Ready? Well, if you see this video on YouTube, then you know that the phone is still working. All right, see ya.